Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your REALME Buds T200 Lite keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend it to disable dual connection. Open REALME Link application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds. Scroll down and go to dual device connection and disable this mode, so just only tap one time at this slider. Next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset you need to put both your earbuds through the charging case. Now close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from your phone. Then you need to open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. Then check, is it fixed? If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, remove your earbuds from your phone. At the back side, right here at the top, we have touch areas. You need to press and hold both of them for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go, now you can release your finger and then we need to reconnect them. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget device. Now if you have Android you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button, maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to bring mode automatically, so you need to tap on them at the device list and then click pair. And we did it. Now check, if the factory reset didn't help you, I have one more solution to you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So it's okay for you, let's do this. Firstly, I will show you how to reset it on Android, and then I will move to the iPhone. Okay, so on your Android, go to the settings, then scroll down and click at the system. Right here, at the bottom, we have reset options, at least on stock Android. Tap at this line, then select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to the General. Click at the General line, then scroll down, and right here at the bottom we have Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click Reset. In this window, you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. Then write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!